முதலாவதாக பேராசிரியர் தமிழ்ச்செல்வி அவர்கள். மகளிர் பாசறையின் மாநில ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் பேராசிரியர் தமிழ்ச்செல்வி இப்பொழுது.
வணக்கம். எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழ் என்று சங்கே முழங்கு. எங்கள் பகைவர் எங்கோ மறைந்தார், இங்குள்ள தமிழர்கள் ஒன்றாதல் கண்டே. தமிழுக்கு என் தலை வணக்கம். வெற்றி பெற்ற ஒரு
அன்பான வணக்கம். நான் பேசுவது ஆங்கிலத்தில் இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் என் இதயம் தமிழ் தேசியம். Years of defeat back to back in every constituency, and yet we are back here today to establish our resilience, beaten but not broken, to pick up the blocks and to start building them again. Harsh, hurtful criticism of his personal life, the ugly hidden faces of the IT wings of the parties who feared his growth and reach, which can trample on a person's pride till he breaks. But am I not proud to see him today, seated in front of you all? My salute to your cadre, Sendamanchi Manji. The graph of growth of the Naam Tamil Katchi is similar to the heartbeat of a soldier fighting to live. And live we will by the grace of the Almighty. Let us retrospect. Why was he mocked so harshly? Because he does not have power and money to purchase the mainstream media? Or is it something more devious than our eyes can perceive? But the double standards of the press and the unethical IT wings of the desperate parties clamoring for power are something I cannot really comprehend. And now everybody's mouth is zipped up. I pity the people of Tamil Nadu when they can accept, understand, praise and normalize an aging matinee idol for the lift given to some below average actress and model whose picture is on all posters in Tamil Nadu today. All Tamil Nadu paying respect to them. You don't need a very high IQ to understand that, right? Man, the hypocrisy of the so-called Tamilians is unbelievable. மரங்களுக்கு மாநாடு, மலைகளுக்கு மாநாடா, ஆடு மாடுகளுக்கு மாநாடா, கடலம்மாக்கு மாநாடா. They mocked him. சிரிச்சாங்க. என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் சில பேர் சிரிச்சாங்க. They mocked him when he spoke about the trees. They mocked him when he expressed concern for the shrinking water levels. They mocked him when he painstakingly did research and spoke about the pollution of the seas, the oceans, the mountains, the air, the sparrows, the insects, the bees, the leaves, the sands, the seeds, ethane, methane pollution, the interdependence of life, and how the past governments have destroyed the eco-friendliness of Tamil Nadu. And how we are marching headlong into an ecosystem that can collapse anytime. They mock. I don't know whether to laugh or cry at their pathetic ignorance. I have understood and faced the same dumbass words of some really educated people, and I know நீங்க நாம் தமிழ் கட்சியில போறீங்களா? They demonize the நாம் தமிழ் கட்சி cadre. நாம் தமிழ் கட்சி உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுமா? பிரபாகரன், LTT, terrorist. உங்களுக்கு ஹிஸ்டரி தெரியாம மடத்தனமா முட்டாள் மாதிரி பேசி எங்களுக்கு ஃபூல்ஸ் ஆக்குறாங்கன்னு பார்க்குறாங்க. பட் அவங்களே ஒரு They are the biggest fools I have seen in history who don't know their history. And now my request as an ordinary and an ardent supporter of Nam Tamil Katchi to the candidates and to those who are given more responsibility in the Katchi, keep your connect to the ground. Don't fly without fuel. And when you're not sure of landing, there is no harm if you mix with all. There is no harm if you give your genuine smile. You may think that some persons are of more use than others, but be prepared for the tables to turn. You may quit allegiance. You may think that this party is not of any use to you. You may think that the Tamil Desam is not your cup of tea. You may sell yourself or be bought. You may have an agenda of personal growth. You may think that you are betting on a losing horse. You may not want to sit with those who you think are losers. No, my dear friends. Nam Tamil Katchi stands for ethics and a way of life. We don't give false promises. We don't indulge in fake deals. We are not a mirage. We are here for real. We are here to stay, come what may. Nam Tamil Katchi has a larger vision, nurturing a generation that will anchor the future of the children of Tamil Nadu, more valuable than money can buy, the best of education, the safeguarding of agricultural lands, the environment, and most precious of all, the identity of the Tamils. Thank you. வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்ததுக்கு நன்றி.